Fuel gauges and profit gauges are fully integrated. You can enter your fuel ups in fuel gauges and sync those expenses into profit gauges. With the different accounting needs that we all have, profit gauges will only sync the fuel gauges if you tell it to. Syncing is only recommended if you do not receive a fuel discount from your carrier or if your fuel shows up in any way on your settlements. The reason is simple. Let's keep your accounting easy, and since you have to enter your fuel on your settlements, if that's the case, then there is no need to add another level of complexity to it. To turn fuel syncing on between profit gauges and fuel gauges, you'll need to do the following steps. First, log into your profit gauges account. Then select Settings on the left-hand side of the overview page. Click on Manual Fuel and select Sync Fuel from the drop-down menu. Please note, your previously saved months will not sync automatically until you click that month to open its expenses again and then save the month again. All new months will sync automatically. To sync a previously saved month, follow the instructions above to change your settings to sync. Open the desired month expense and make sure that the FuelGauges Fuel is showing up under the Fuel category. Then select Save Month again. If you've added your fuel expense for this month already into profit gauges, you'll need to delete it so it does not double your fuel expenses. Do not forget, if you have fuel in your settlements, you must change the category that your fuel goes into to retained earnings. Otherwise, you'll be doubling your fuel entries when you sync with fuel gauges. Fuel gauges also has an option to enter maintenance costs so you can see how it affects your fuel mileage. Profit gauges has the ability to sync these costs as well. To sync your maintenance costs from fuel gauges to profit gauges, you'll need to do the following. Log into your profit gauges account. Then select Settings on the left-hand side of the overview page. Click on Manual Maintenance and select Sync Maintenance from the drop-down menu. Again, your previously saved months will not sync automatically until you click that month to open its expenses up again, and then save the month again. All new months will sync automatically. It is also important to be careful not to double any maintenance expenses that come off your settlement. If you sync maintenance with fuel gauges and you have maintenance costs taken out of your settlement, you need to make the subcategory for those maintenance costs on your settlement set to retained earnings. When synced with fuel gauges, your maintenance costs will show up in your monthly expenses under the subcategory Fuel Gauges Maintenance. If you want to see a breakdown of your maintenance costs, we recommend not syncing your maintenance from fuel gauges and manually creating the different subcategories you want under maintenance in profit gauges.